everyone, this is Brenda's Desserts from around the world, and today's destination is Peru. I'll be trying a recipe for alfajores, so let's get started. To start our cookies, you're going to need 1 cup of soft butter. And if you forget to leave your butter out, you can always put it in the microwave for less than 30 seconds and it will come soft. Then you're going to add 3/4 cup of sugar. And you're going to mix this until it's fluffy. And once it's fluffy, you want to add 1 egg. Get that a little blend. Then you want to add 2 egg whites. And give that a mix. And once your eggs are well combined, you want to add 1 teaspoon and 1/2 of vanilla. And some people use zest. You could use lemon zest or orange zest. But I didn't have a lemon today, so I'm just gonna use vanilla. Now it's time for the dry ingredients. I have here 1 2/3 cups of AP flour. I'm going to put 1.5 cups of cornstarch. I have 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. And 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Get that little mix. Now once your dry ingredients are well mixed, you're going to add a little bit at a time to your wet ingredients until it's well combined. So when your batter is well mixed, you want to separate it, cut it in half with some plastic. Put some first half. Then I'm just gonna wrap it. First half, and I'm gonna do the second. And you want to refrigerate this for 1 hour. So it's been an hour. I took my dough out of the refrigerator. I took my mat out. I put some flour on the surface. Now we're going to roll it out. Put some flour on your roller. And you just want to roll it out. Now I roll it out, I'm going to put it back in the refrigerator just to harden up one more time so I could cut into shapes. So I roll out my dough. It was in the refrigerator for like 15 to 30 minutes. Now I'm going to cut into shapes. The traditional way is like a circle. But I also have other fun shapes I could use, like a heart and a little flower. You could actually do any shape you like. So once you cut it, then place it on a cookie sheet with the parchment paper. Make sure you cut a bottom and a top. That didn't go well. So once you cut out all your cookies, I preheated my oven at 350 Fahrenheit, and it's might take 8 to 10 minutes, just until it's golden brown on the bottom. So my cookies just came out of the oven. It took only 8 minutes. So you want to bake them to like just golden brown on the top. If it's white on top, it's okay. Just looking at the bottom. I'm gonna let these cool off, then we're going to put the filling in the middle. So once your cookies are cooled down, it's time for the filling. I just bought dulce de leche. You can also make it at home if you want, but it's more easier just to buy it. So you grab any cookie you like, place a little bit on the middle, and then grab the top, squeeze together so you have a nice cookie. Some people put coconut on the sides, but you don't have to if you don't want to. So once you're done with your cookies, you just get a little pat of sugar and dust the top. And there you go. How beautiful. Time for a taste test. These cookies came out so delicious. It's probably my favorite cookie so far. I just love the dulce de leche in the middle, the powdered sugar, everything about this cookie. So easy to make. I hope you guys try this recipe and let me know how it went for you guys. Just comment below. And like always, I see you guys at my next destination. Don't forget to like and subscribe.